Friends, Gabriel, can you hear me?
Yes, of course.
We are now in the toffee or the hat market?
The hat market.
Yeah, the hat market. We bought a very good culinary hat for my friend Gabriel. This is the boss for here. Shoma raisa sinjani. Exalom betin andi wallahi mara.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.
This also, yeah, the people all around here, they are very interested to see us, and they are very into, or to say, enthusiastic to see some tourists here. And alhamdulillah, since 2 years ago there are many tourists here. This is a toffee market. Let me show you more and more. These are the toffees or the hats, different. These are called the Kandahari hats mostly, and they are different in colors, in size, and maybe in price. قيمة ترين يزي چند است که خودت داری؟ قيمة ترینش. قيمة ترين. And the most expensive that he has is 5,000. It may be like 5,000, like $70 maybe like $70, yeah. مثل $70 شاید شوا, or $80, yeah, $80 approximately it can be. بعضی میگن که تو یک لگم هست 100,000 هست. نه میف هستم هست. He say that yeah, it is called raziki, and they have it. They don't have it, but here in Afghanistan people have it up to $1,000, up to $1,000, more than $1,200.
Wow.
Yeah. But the most expensive they have is like $70 or $80. Yeah. They also have chatrali, pakuls here, kunari. They are Afghanistan made, Pakistan made. But I took Afghanistan made from my friend Henry. From my friend, sorry, not Henry. Henry name is a Finnish guy. Gabriel. Yeah. I have a lot of Western friends, and I just say mix up. Exactly. Okay. تشکر از شما بسیار زیاد. خیر ببینین. خیر ببینین. زنده باشید. قیمت‌های از اینا 300, 400, 500, 600, 1,000. They have a lot. Yeah. This cock also can speak a little bit English.
You can say what we are doing.
Okay. Brothers, sisters, dear fans, my fans and my friend Gabriel's fans. Anytime when I come with tourists here, I release 1, 2, 3 dogs. With Davud, with Finnish guy, and today with the Polish guy. Yeah, Mr. Gabriel. Today I wanna release this for an innocent bird. It is called dove. To go up the hills to the mountains and fly higher and higher. Yeah, it is time now to release it. Yeah. Where should I go?
Yeah.
Okay, go there. Go there. Can you see me, bro? Should I release it now?
Yes.
Like this? Okay. You can check it. Oh, you went there. It's still there. No problem. It can go. Pass na gilid mo. Yeah, pass na niya. Eagle. Look at the eagle. Yeah, big eagle. A lot of big. These are the eagles, and they cost like $70, $90, $100. It's so good. Okay, enough. We're in a bird market.
بابا هم خلاصي وكيف ما شاغني وياخنا
بابا ده فيلم ده امريكا طلع
ما خبرنا يا
Wow. Okay, bro.
Video camera
comes from this way, of course. Show us, please. Assalamu alaikum, brothers. Again and again. We are now in the fruit market. We call it fruit. It's called fruit. And I think it's called dried cord, maybe in English, because when I was studying English in English course, they taught us that it is called in English dried cord. Dried cord, yeah. It is made from the dairy, from the milk of the animals, different animals. It is made from sheep, made from goat, made from cow, and these things. I don't think from camels because we don't have too many camels. Yeah. And after getting the milk from the animals, they do it with a very special way, bro. They do it with a special way, and when they bring it in bazaar and sell it, it's very expensive. And also it's very delicious.
What is it exactly used for?
Just
eat like this?
Yeah. You can eat like this. You can, for example, melt it and make it, what would I say, dough, whey, we say whey, juice from it, yeah. And also it is used for some very delicious and local foods in Afghanistan, like desserts for that. No, delicious foods. Then it is sour, mix the flavor of the food sour. It's very delicious. Yeah. Like potochi, there is a food by the name of potochi in Badakhshan. People use cord or fruit for making it.
What is it called again? The name exactly?
I think kotahi or kotahi. Fruit, yeah. In our language, fruit. In English, I think learned dried cord, maybe like that. They have different kinds. They are different in quality, they are different in size, they are different in amount, in money. Yeah. This is the best one. No, this is the best one. This is the best one. Look at this. And this is also very gentle, you know? Very soft. It's very soft. You can, for example, break it with your teeth very easily. Very delicious. For per kilo it is 450 Afghani.
Okay. For the best quality one.
For the best quality one. Yeah. Maybe when you go to the country, you buy some and take some maybe. It's good. Very yes, bro. This is a kind. It's a kind of candy, bro. We call it gur in our language, and mostly it is used in the winter, because in winter the weather is a little bit, not a little bit, it's very cool, and in some provinces it's freezing, yeah, everything is frozen. Then it is used for eating the body, yeah. Instead of sugar, we put it inside a glass or inside a cup. For tea. For tea, we use it. It's very good food. Very delicious. I love it. It's my favorite.
What does something like this cost?
Maybe per kilo. Yeah, kilo is good chandas. 150. 150. Per kilo. We are now in a dry fruit market with my friend Gabriel. These are all from Afghanistan. No, sis. These are all from Afghanistan made. Yeah. You can see raisins, good quality almonds, and I don't know what it's called in English, but it sells something like spice, and also different kinds of nuts. You have the pea here. It's called berry? Strawberry? Berry? What's it called in English? Berry? Yeah, it's berry, I think. Strawberry, yeah. You have walnuts. Yeah, different kinds of dried fruit. We are in the sticker shop also. This is sticker shop. Different stickers you can find. اینا رو بیشتر کیا میبرن؟ کیا میخرن؟ اینا کی بیشتر میخره و میبرن؟ دکاندار تو هستی؟ خواه میبخشی. خواه سعیز گمش خیره بغلط نگی. خوب هستی؟ اینا کی زیادتر میخره؟
اینا اشتکان. پیش همون برو.
خواه اطفالی گپا. Oh.
You can buy money here, look.
Now you can buy money. Kinds of money.
Oh, nice. Gabriel, yes?
Poland, yes. Poland. Money.
You can buy money.